emergency for Kansas City. The National Weather Service in Kansas City has issued a tornado warning for central Jackson County in central Missouri until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Lawrence, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Kansas City. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard. Deadly tornado. Source. Radar confirmed tornado. Impact. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Lawrence around 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Kansas City around 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Olathe. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Kansas City has issued a tornado warning for central Jackson County in central Missouri until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time.